There's an extension called Grammarly which will help you correct out anything you write, such as in emails and so forth. So to get the Grammarly extension, what you need to do is go on to the Chrome Web Store, and to do that you need to enable out the bookmark bar, which you can do so by clicking on the three-dot icon, by going into bookmarks, and by clicking on show bookmark bar. And then you'll be able to see the apps icon, and if you are still not able to see the apps icon, right click and click on show apps shortcut. So once you click on apps, you can access the Chrome Web Store right here by clicking on Web Store, and over here you can type in Grammarly and press enter. So once you do that, what happens is that Grammarly for Chrome is here. So once you click on Grammarly for Chrome, this opens up. So simply click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension, and then what happens is that Grammarly extension gets installed over here in Google Chrome. If I were to go over here, it's not installed yet, it's still checking. So depending on internet connection speed and so forth, the extension is getting downloaded and it'll get installed. So the Grammarly extension has been installed, and here you can see it now, Grammarly for Chrome. You can go around and pin it out. So it says welcome to Grammarly and so forth. You can sign up as well. I'm just going to go around and pin this out right here and click on this. So this is Grammarly is active. Key feature is missing, so you can sign up and so forth over there. So let me just go around into Gmail and let's see how Grammarly actually takes an effect onto the things that you type in. Let's say, for example, if you were to compose an email, here it says Grammarly. All right, Grammarly is now active. Want to see how it works. All right, let's take a quick tour. And it says when you see Grammarly logo, it means Grammarly is checking your writing. Review your Grammarly, accept suggestions as you're writing, and click on Grammarly logo to go deeper and so forth. So I'm just going to skip out the thing right here. And here you can see that there's Grammarly, and you can go around and type in the thing. Like let's say, for example, hello, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. So let's see what it detects. So Grammarly has detected that I have missed out the comma over here. So you can see that it is suggesting as I go around right here, I can dismiss it or I can click on and accept the suggestions. Nice weather today. So you can see that it corrected it out right here. So let's say, for example, if I were to do a mistake over here, you can see that it gets underlined. You can add it to dictionary or dismiss it out. So if you dismiss it, then it won't correct it. You can also type in, let's say, for example, something like TutuTube channel right here. Let's see how that actually takes it. So let me just go around, press enter. I guess like it is not correcting this one out, but I'm just going to go around and type in some random words right here. So it does show it out right here. So let's say you're typing some names or so forth. You do not want Grammarly to actually correct them out. So you can right click and click on add to dictionary. And what happens is that you can add it to dictionary but for that feature to happen, you need to sign up. So that is how you can use the Grammarly extension inside of Google Chrome. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.